How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English from Crunchyroll. First things first is access or open up any web browser you want to use to stream animes using Crunchyroll. And just head directly to crunchyroll.com's official site, and for you to be able to have access to any kinds of settings available from Crunchyroll is you need to have an account. And once you have successfully created an account, all you have to do is to check first if um, English dub on Naruto Shippuden is available. You can go to the search or the magnifying glass. Now hit on Naruto Shippuden, and then from here, you should be able to see these options here. So the audio that is available for Naruto Shippuden from Crunchyroll is only Japanese. However, you can still adjust the subtitles into English or any other languages available. And what you can do to change the audio language is head down at the top right portion, go to settings, and then under preferences, go to audio language and set it as on English. So that's it. That's the only way of doing or for you to be able to watch Naruto Shippuden in English from Crunchyroll.